Are you with me still?
Yes.
And yet, the heart, the moment the person goes into that stress response, beats incoherently as well. And all of a sudden, the brain and heart are out of rhythm. But what if then a person had the ability to find the present moment? And we can predict this now over and over again. And all of a sudden, instead of thinking about the predictable future or remembering the familiar past, they labored for the present moment. And what if then, instead of narrowing their focus on the problem, on the threat in their external environment, you taught them how to take their attention off of matter, off of objects and people and places and things, and find the generous present moment and go from a somebody to a nobody, from someone to no one, from something to nothing, from somewhere to nowhere, from sometime to nowhere. That would be the moment that they would begin to disinvest their energy out of this three-dimensional reality. And all of a sudden now, they become pure consciousness. And as they begin to move through the eye of the needle and become nobody, no one, no thing, nowhere, and no time, if they keep surrendering into that unified field, they'll go from a somebody to nobody to the consciousness of everybody. From the consciousness of someone to the consciousness of no one to the consciousness of everyone. From the consciousness of something to the consciousness of nothing to the consciousness of everything. From the consciousness of some time to the consciousness of no time to the consciousness of every time. The consciousness of somewhere to nowhere to everywhere. Isn't that the quantum field, the unified field? Come on, are you with me?
Yes.
The quantum field is an invisible field of information that exists beyond space and time. And when we create from that place, we no longer have to go anywhere to get it. In fact, when there's a vibrational match between your energy and some potential in the quantum field, you will collapse time and you will draw the experience to you. Because Einstein said, the field is the sole governing agency of the particle, that energy affects matter. Are you with me still? And the moment that happens, when you become nobody, no one, no thing, nowhere, and no time, all of a sudden you're not thinking about that person or that problem or that thing, and your brain waves slow down from beta to alpha, and you move right out of your analytical mind. All of a sudden, different compartments of the brain that were once subdivided, if you're no longer thinking about those things, all of a sudden they start to synchronize. They start to unify. They start to integrate. The front of the brain starts talking to the back of the brain. The right side of the brain starts talking to the left side of the brain. And what syncs in the brain links in the brain. And all of a sudden, the brain starts moving into this psychic union. We've seen it over and over again. And the moment those two halves of the brain come together, the union of polarity, the union of duality, the union of opposites or separation is called wholeness and love. Are you with me still?
Yes.
At the same exact time, all of a sudden the heart starts going into coherence and it starts to produce a measurable magnetic field. Now they're no longer drawing from the field, they're contributing to the field. And that field begins to expand. That energy is a frequency, and that frequency carries information. And now they lay their intent on that energy, and they're broadcasting a whole new signature into the field. Are you with me still?
Yes.
And watch, we see people sitting in their meditation, and all of a sudden we start to see their brain going into that pattern. And we just say to the neuroscientists that come and study our work, she's going to pop.
Yeah.
What do you mean? She's going to pop. Just watch.